How many times should you wash rice before cooking? And do you really need to? Join me, guys, up until the end. Ethel earlier here. Let's all find out. Let's go, guys. Rice is a staple in millions of households. But here's the big debate. Should you wish it before cooking? And if yes, now, many times. Today, let's uncover the truth about rinsing rice, why it matters, and how it affects taste, texture, and even your health. Rice is a staple across cultures, yet small step in its preparation often divides cooks, washing. Some insist on rinsing rice until the water runs crystal clear, while others pour it straight into the pot without a second thought. The question of how many times to wash and whether to wash at all depends on the kind of rice you're cooking and the dish you're making. Washing can transform the texture, flavor, and even the nutritional value of your meal. Understanding when and how often to rinse is the key to getting rice just the way you want it. Fluffy, creamy, sticky, or nutty. How many times should you rinse? One, two to three rinses are usually enough. Swirl, drain, repeat. Number two, for starch heavy varieties like jasmine or short grain, rinse up to 4 to 5 times until the water runs almost clear. Number three, perfectly clear water isn't necessary. Slightly cloudy is fine. You should wash your rice. The answer depends on the type of rice you're cooking and the dish you're making. In general, rinsing 2 to 3 times is best for most varieties to get clean, fluffy grains. But remember, sometimes skipping the wash gives better results, like in risotto or sushi rice. What about you? Do you rinse your rice before cooking? Share your answer in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more kitchen tips. The Western kitchens wash rice. In many Western kitchens, rinsing wasn't common for a long time. That's because of the following. One, much of the rice sold in the US is fortified, enriched with vitamins and iron. Labels often warn, do not rinse, since the washing removes those nutrients. Two, quick cook or baked rice was designed to be cooked straight from the package. Three, today, with more global recipes in play, Western cooks are rinsing rice more often, especially for Asian, Middle Eastern, or Latin American dishes, where texture matters. Which rice needs washing? Number one, basmati. Two, jasmine. Three, long grain rice. Rinse a few times until the water runs mostly clear. Short grain for sushi, risotto, paella. Usually rinsed, but for risotto, you may skip to keep starch. Fortified enriched rice, common in the US. Check the label. Some brands advise not rinsing. Brown or red rice, just few quick rinses is enough, since they're less starchy. Think of it this way: rinse for flour, skip for starch. And there you have it. Most types of rice turn out best when rinsed 2 to 3 times until the water runs clearer. But remember, it's not always required. Some recipes actually benefit from that extra starch. So, the next time you cook rice, think about the texture you want. Do you rinse every time or do you skip it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more cooking tips. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. here is signing off.